Hey everyone, hope you're all doing great. Before we dive into today's video, let's talk about some exciting updates like the WCoin token listing, the snapshot details, and how to claim your rewards ranging from 150,000 coins to 1 million coins. First, the amount of coins you receive depends on how active you've been with the bot. The more tasks you complete and profits you accumulate, the higher your reward will be. So if you want to maximize your earnings, you need to keep leveling up within the system. As you climb higher, your profits increase, so the effort is definitely worth it. Now let's address something that many of you have asked about, the 12-day countdown. Some people were wondering if the airdrop will happen after these 12 days. I'll break it all down for you, so don't worry. Just remember, once you see WCoin listed on Binance or the coin itself available there, that's a clear sign that everything is on track and safe to work with. But before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Also, make sure to join our Telegram group. You'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. So make sure to join. All right, let's dive into today's topic. But before I get started, I want to address some common questions about the W Galaxy feature. This isn't mandatory to receive your profits, but it's a bonus for those who opt in. Even if you don't participate in W Galaxy, you'll still be able to withdraw your coins normally and track your earnings. As for the 12-day countdown, here's the deal. The bot has announced that the mining phase will end on November 20th. So from now until then, they'll be reducing some features in preparation for the upcoming airdrop. This includes removing staking options and other tasks. The bottom line is, you have until November 20th to maximize your earnings from staking. Now let's talk about how to claim your gift. The WCoin team is rewarding users based on how active they've been. The gift can range from 150,000 to 200,000 coins, depending on your performance. To claim it, simply head over to the task section, scroll down, and you'll see the W Team gift icon. Click on it, and voila, your coins will be added to your balance. Next, let's dive into the airdrop details. For those of you wondering when it will happen, we expect the airdrop to take place in December. There's a good chance it will happen at the beginning of the month. This is the final step before we get to the official listing, so if you haven't joined the bot yet, now's your chance. The link to join is in the description. The sooner you get started, the more you can accumulate in the meantime. And once the WCoin is listed on Binance, you'll be in a great position to cash out. So, remember to stay active on the bot, don't miss out on your rewards, and keep leveling up. The more you engage with the system, the bigger your earnings will be. Whether it's through staking, the WAI section, or upgrading your tasks, all of these contribute to boosting your rewards. Keep pushing those levels. I hope this clears up everything for you and I didn't take up too much of your time. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with others who might be interested. Until the next video, take care and good luck with your earnings.